In the midst of pitch-black night, as the moon quietly hangs over a frozen sky, a howl echoes through the mountains and forests. It is not a cry of loneliness, but a call to arms from a predator intelligent, brave, and full of mystery. He is not alone. A silent figure, for steady legs move through the snowy woods, cold sharp eyes locked onto prey. A creature not driven by instinct alone, but one that knows how to love, protect, and lead. This is the grey wolf, the silent ruler of the wild. A symbol of endurance, order, and unwavering loyalty. In today's journey, we will step into the world of the grey wolf, where every howl carries meaning, where each pack is a miniature society, and where the instinct for survival has been honed to perfection. The grey wolf belongs to the dog family Canidae and is the direct ancestor of the modern domestic dog. Key characteristics include length, from 1.3 to 1.6 meters excluding the tail. Weight, ranges from 30 to 80 kilograms depending on region. Fur, very thick, pale grey to dark brown, providing excellent camouflage. Teeth, sharp canines and powerful jaws capable of crushing bones. Senses, vision, hearing, and especially smell are highly developed. They can detect prey from kilometers away and hear faint sounds from great distances. Grey wolves live in highly organized packs, usually consisting of the alpha pair dominant male and female, other adult wolves, their pups. A pack can range from 5 to 15 individuals, functioning like a united family. Every member has a clear role: hunting, caring for pups, guarding territory. Howling is a vital form of communication. It helps define territory, call the pack together, or warn off intruders. Grey wolves are strategic predators. They often hunt in small coordinated groups with clearly defined roles: lead wolf, guides and sets direction. Flankers, encircle and steer the prey. Attackers, deliver the final blow. Preferred prey includes deer, elk, antelope, but they can hunt smaller animals or scavenge when necessary. In the past, grey wolves were widespread across North America, Europe, and Asia. However, due to hunting, deforestation, and conflict with humans, they were wiped out in many countries. Today, thanks to conservation programs, they've returned to areas like Yellowstone, USA, the Tiger Forests, Russia, and the Scandinavian region. Grey wolves are ecological engineers, helping to maintain ecosystem balance, regulating deer and elk populations, preventing overgrazing and vegetation damage, enhancing local biodiversity. The wolf reintroduction to Yellowstone is a clear example of their positive ecological impact. Historically, wolves were seen as threats to livestock and were hunted on a large scale. Yet they've also played a powerful role in legend and culture, appearing in Grimm's fairy tales and folklore. Symbols of courage and warrior spirit in many tribes. Today, many countries protect wolves as part of their biological heritage. Despite partial recovery, grey wolves still face major challenges. Habitat loss conflicts with farmers, climate change. Conservation organizations are working to raise awareness, establish protected areas, and manage conflict zones. The grey wolf is not just a cunning predator. It is the embodiment of wild intelligence, unwavering loyalty, and timeless resilience. A creature that protects its young, collaborates, and sacrifices for the pack, reflecting some of the most admirable traits humans can aspire to. Protecting the grey wolf isn't just about saving a species, it's about preserving the fragile balance of nature. As long as the wolf's howl still echoes through deep forests, it is a sign that nature is alive, breathing, and full of hope. We as modern humans have the responsibility to keep that howl alive, to preserve the spirit of the forest, and to protect symbolic creatures like the grey wolf for generations to come.